How sophisticated is the Russian-made fighter jet, the Sukhoi S U-57? The Sukhoi S U-57, NATO codenamed Felon, is a fifth-generation fighter jet developed by Sukhoi for the Russian Air Force. The Su-57 is one of the Russian fighter jets that has terrifying capabilities. Having stealth features, this weapon is a force option that Moscow can utilize on the battlefield. According to the Eurasian Times report, some time ago the Su-57 was one of the military aircraft that Russia was collecting. With a series of advanced capabilities, this fighter jet could be the right choice to support its combat power in Kiev. The U-57S aircraft is designed to compete with the US F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II stealth fighter jets. The two American fighter jets have stealth capabilities. The F-22 and F-35 combine stealth technology to reduce radar signature and increase survivability in dangerous and hostile environments, and also has supersonic speed. Both aircraft are capable of flying at supersonic speed. The F-22 is capable of sustained supersonic flight, and the F-35 has limited supersonic capabilities. Even though most of the information about the Sukhoi T-50PA-KFA has been widely announced, some people believe that there are still some facts that are being hidden. For example, supercruise capability, reaching supersonic speed without afterburner, weapons in the form of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, anti-ship missiles, AESA radar with a 1500 array element which reportedly has artificial intelligence. The Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's fifth-generation multi-role fighter jet. Quoting the Air Force Technology page, in 2023, the development will be carried out by United Aircraft (UAC). In its design, the Su-57 was designed as a fighter jet that could destroy ground and air targets. After many successful tests, this fighter jet made its maiden flight in October 2022. Currently, the Russian Air Force is the main operator of the aircraft. One of the advanced features of the Su-57 is stealth technology, which allows it to deceive enemy radar. Furthermore, this Russian fighter is equipped with a 3D thrust vector jet which gives it higher maneuverability. Then, there is also a communications suite that has been modernized by Polyet Research and Production Enterprise. In its engine, the Su-57 is equipped with twin engines powered by Izdalai 117 or AL41F1 augmented turbofans. This provision gives it a speed of up to Mach 2 without afterburner, and a range of up to 3,500 km at subsonic speed. Turning to weaponry, the Russian U-57S fighter jet carries 4 long-range missiles in its 2 main weapons bays, and 2 short-range missiles in its wing root weapons bays. The primary medium-range missile is the active radar homing R-77M, Izdalai 180, an improved variant of the R-77 with an AESA seeker, dual-pulse motors, and a conventional rear fin. The short-range missile is the infrared homing, heat-seeking R-74M2, Izdalai 760, an improved variant of the R-74 with a reduced cross-section for internal carriage. The aircraft has a 9A1-4071K, GSH-30-1, 30mm automatic cannon mounted internally near the right Levkin root. This gun is the lightest in the 30mm class at 50 kg, and can fire up to 1,800 rounds per minute. The gun can fire explosive, incendiary and armor-piercing tracer rounds and is effective against lightly armored land, sea and air targets up to 800 m for air targets and 1,800 m for land targets. The main avionics systems are the -121 shillings, the Multifunctional Integrated Radio Electronic System, MIRES, and the 101KS, ATOL, Electro-Optical System. Stealth ability. The Su-57 is planned to be the first fighter aircraft in Russian Air Force service to use stealth technology. Similar to other stealth fighters such as the F-22, the airframe incorporates planform edge alignment to reduce radar cross-section, RCS, The leading and trailing edges of the wings and control surfaces and the serrated edges of the skin panels are carefully beveled to reduce the number of directions that radar waves can reflect. Machine: the SU-57 used a pair of NPO's Saturn SU-117 engines, or Saturn AL-41F1, additional turbofans. The AL-41F1 is a highly improved variant of the AL-31 that powers the U-27 family of S aircraft and produces 93.1 knots, 21,000 lbf, dry thrust, 147.1 knots, 33,067 lbf, thrust and afterburner, and has a dry weight of approximately 1,600 kilograms, 3,530 pounds. The engine has full authority digital engine control, FADC, and is integrated into the flight control system to facilitate maneuverability and handling. The AL-41F1 is closely related to the Saturn SU-117S, or AL-41F1S, engine used by the Su-35S, with the latter's separate engine control system being the main difference. Cockpit: the SU-57 has a glass cockpit with two main multifunction LCD displays measuring 38 cm, 15 in, similar to the layout of the Su-35S fighter jet. Positioned around the cockpit are three smaller control panel displays. The cockpit has a wide-angle, 30 degrees by 22 degrees, head-up display, HUD. The main controls are a joystick and a pair of throttles. The aircraft uses a two-piece canopy, with the rear sections sliding forward and locking into place. The canopy is coated with a special coating to increase the aircraft's stealth capabilities. Design: although most of the information about the Sukhoi T-50 PAKFA has been widely announced, some people believe that there are still some facts that are being hidden. For example, supercruise capability, reaching supersonic speed without afterburner, weapons in the form of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, anti-ship missiles, AESA radar with 1,500 array elements, which reportedly has artificial intelligence. The composite material used on the Sukhoi T-50 is estimated to account for 25% of the total weight of the aircraft, and around 75% is the surface coating of the fuselage. The fuselage also consists of 75% titanium. It was also reported that this Russian-made stealth aircraft has maneuverability that exceeds that of the F-22 Raptor.